Mid-year bonus 2024, mamaya na. ATM machines, sana online at hindi offline. Yes, friends, mamaya na po ang release ng mid-year bonus sa mga government employees. So magkano yan? 1 month basic, less tax. Opo, may deduction po yan, friends, no? Tax. And then, 1 month basic po. Ibig sabihin, hindi pare-pareho po ang receive ng mga government employees. Depende po sa salary grade nila or job grade. Right? So, mas malaki po yung salary grade, mas malaki po yung basic pay nila. So, hindi pare-pareho. Sana po online ang ATM machines ngayon. Kasi po marami talagang mag-withdraw mamaya. So, most likely, after daw na siguro yan papasok, mga 2 p.m. and onwards, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan, so sino po ang makareceive nito? Yung mga government employees sa NGA or National Government Agency, GOCC, Government Owned and Controlled Corporation, SUC, State Universities and Colleges, LGU, Local Government Units, and of course our military personnel sa AFP or Armed Forces of the Philippines. Uniform personnel po sa PNP, Philippine National Police, Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP, BGMP, or Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Bureau of Corrections, or BOC. By the way, friends, ito po yung news kahapon, no? DBM press release or Department of Budget and Management. Si DBM Secretary Amena F. Pangandaman confirmed this news and reminding all government agencies and offices to ensure the timely release of bonuses to their employees or as stipulated in our existing rules and regulation. Simula May 15 po yan. Yan po yung sinabi ni Ma'am Pangandaman. Thank you, Ma'am, for this good news. 2 thumbs up. Thank you for watching, friends. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.